Hi, friends! Let's sing and learn alphabet animals today. A for alligator, A, L, L, I, G, L, T, O, R, alligator. B for bear, B, E-A-R, bear. C for cat, C-A-T, cat. D for dog, D-O-G, dog. E for elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. F for fox, F-O-X, fox. G for giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. H for horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. J for jaguar, J-A-G-U-A-R, jaguar. K for kangaroo, K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. L for lion, L-I-O-N, lion. M for monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. N for newt, N-E-W-T, newt. O for otter, O-T-T-E-R, otter. P for pig, P-I-G, pig. Q for quokka, Q-U-O-K-K-A, quokka. rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. S for sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. T for tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. U for unicorn. U-N-I-C-O-R-N, unicorn. V for vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. W for whale. W-H-A-L-E, whale. X for X-ray fish. X-R-A-Y-F-I-S-H, X-ray fish. E for yak. Y-A-K, yak. Z for zebra. Z-A-B